want to see this wave action here for Lake Erie. It's insane. Waves are clearing over the breakwaters. So let's take a look around. This is intense. I haven't seen it this wild in years up here. Look at that wave action. Look at that sunset. So beautiful out there. This is like Outer Banks waves here. These things are over 4 or 5 feet, some of them. The National Weather Service put out a beach hazard statement and a small craft advisory for wind being in excess of 21 to 33 knots, kicking up the waves here anywhere from 4 to 7 feet, and they're definitely up there. There's a look at the breakwater. Lake Erie is sure angry today. Look at that. Sun already on the surface there. That fast. Sorry about the wind, guys. This is the windiest I've ever felt it up here. I've been coming up here since I was a little kid. It literally feels like I'm standing on the beach in the Outer Banks during a tropical storm, which I've done many, many times before. For that and for hurricanes. Sorry, I wanted to step back. I really don't feel like getting wet. I'm already cold enough. Temperatures in the low 70s. That wind is cranking. And I'm stubborn. I don't believe in wearing a hoodie in the summertime. I'm wearing a shirt and shorts and sandals. Look at that view though. Discover Presque weekend. A lot of activities going on. We're getting ready for the illumination event they're about to have here at this beach. But I thought I'd share this video with you guys. I've been a little inactive this week, getting ready to come up here for the 4 days that we're staying. And while I'm up here, I'm going to try to do a couple of abandoned places. And if I can't get them up by the end of the weekend, I'll have them up on Monday. Sorry about that wind. That wind is insane. Now look how high they're crashing over the breakwater. just see Lake Erie is angry, as the Gear Shots would put it. A buddy of mine on YouTube, he got a video up here of some rough currents. I'll put a link at the end of the video to his channel. Go check him out. He does a lot of abandoned places too. Really cool dude. Make sure you give him a bunch of likes on his video, subscribe to his channel. Like I said, he got a video of Lake Erie being angry too. I don't know if it's that as angry as this is though. This is insane. Like I said, I've been coming up here for years and I haven't seen it this rough. At least not in a long, long time. I know the locals are used to this. I'll pan out and show you the sunset again. Anyway, there you go, guys. That's my video of the crazy waves and the sunset here. Really windy. Hope you guys can hear me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more abandoned places here, and I'll probably do some more videos around Presque over the next couple of days, over the weekend here. Can't guarantee when I'll get them up though, because I got a busy agenda and schedule for this weekend. But if I don't get them up by Sunday night, they'll be up Monday for you guys. So until then, have a good one. Take care.